to my Miss Math video. Today I'm going to be teaching the basic operations. Let's start with addition. So let's say you have 45 stamps. And a friend gives you 60 more stamps. If you want to figure out how many stamps you have in all, you would add them together. So you would start by just covering that up, and it would be 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 plus anything equals that number. So 5 plus 0 is going to equal 5. Then we have 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. We cannot do that. That equals 15. That is not the right answer. So what we would do is we would take our 10 and we put our 0 there for the ones place, and then we would take our 1 there for the tens place, which will also be the hundreds place and the hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So our answer is going to be 105. Helping hands. This can help you with it can help you with addition. Watch how. Let's say you do 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 8. What about 2 plus 4? 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. One more. 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 9. It can also do multiplication. 9 facts, actually. Let's do 8 times 9. So we take the 8th finger and we pull it down. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since that's our 7th finger, that's going to equal 70. Then 1, 2. So 72. Not only can you do that, it also helps you erase things. Welcome. Now we are going to be working on multiplication. Multiplication is basically extended addition. If we do 6 times 4, we could do it like this. We could do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. It would equal 24. So that would also equal 24. Another way that we could figure that out is if we did 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That would also equal 24. Both of these ways is a way to show multiplication. Now let's do a word problem. Let's say that these big trucks have 6 wheels. Somebody goes up and buys 4 of the big trucks. To figure out how many wheels they have, we would have to multiply. So 6 times 4, like we discussed, equals 24. Which means that the person that bought those trucks has 24 wheels. Woohoo! Howdy, y'all. Have you heard about the turnovers? Oh, you haven't? Well, these make addition and multiplication easy. 2 plus 2, easy. 4. 6 plus 48, not so easy. But with this, it makes it easy. Boop, 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 boop. 115. Now, if I turn it over, I get multiplication. Now, 12 times 0, easy. But if I do But 46 times 18, not so easy, but if I do this, boop, 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 it equals 828. Woo! It can turn your frown upside down. Now we're going to do division. Division is when you divide a whole into equal parts. Let's say you have you have friends over. There are 4 people in the house. And you ordered a pizza with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. You want everybody to get an equal amount. A way to do that is to divide it by 4. 8 divided by 4. So one way to do that is to see how many times 4 can go into 8. 4 can go into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Four can go into 8 2 times, which means that each person could get 2 slices. Now we're going to be working on subtraction. Subtraction is when you take a specific number away from a group. So let's say you had 105 candies, and you ate 45 of those candies. To figure out how many candies you still have, you would have to subtract. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And now we would have to subtract these 2 numbers. But 0 minus 4, we can't do 0 minus 4 because it would end up with a negative number. So we would have to borrow 1 from the hundreds place, which makes it a 0. Then we'd bring that 1 over to the tens place, which makes it 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So 60, we don't have anything to subtract here, so 60 is going to be our answer. But now, now that we have our answer, we have 60, 45, and 105. Those numbers we use for the addition problem. And so, a way that we could check this would be 60 plus 45, which equals 100, which we already discussed equals 105. And that's that, and that.